In today's video, I will teach you how to make an Etsy shop banner using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, you have to make a blank canvas with the standard size of an Etsy shop banner. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Under the Etsy category, you can choose between the big banner, which is 3360 by 840 pixels, or the mini banner, which is 1200 by 160 pixels. Now, just click the canvas preset of your choice to open your blank canvas on the editor. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword Etsy shop, and you can also choose between the big banner or the mini banner. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To make the shop banner more personal and interesting, you can add images, graphics, textures, and text. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. Here, you can choose from thousands of graphics elements in PicMonkey's graphics library. But if you would like to be more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar to find the exact graphics element that you're looking for. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Now, to add text to your shop banner, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets to make designing easier for you, or you can add your own text box if you have a specific design in mind. You can change the font style, size, color, and alignment at the sidebar as well. To replace the image on the template, simply select the image that you would like to replace, right-click it, and select Replace Image. Now, if you would like to delete the existing image on your template and add your own, you can simply select the image first and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Now, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own file by simply pressing the Add Photo or Video button. To add the image to your canvas, you can simply click the image, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. You can move the image around, resize it, rotate it, or crop it to achieve the design that you have in mind. And once you're done, you can now download it to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.